Babies are hungry. Look at that.
Hello guys, I'm in the village now. Today I rescued a fallen bird's nest.
It is a baby bird nest. Uh, it's I collect from under a palm tree. There have some baby, so I just cut it and three babies. Look at, they're so cute. Babies are hungry. Look at that. I just I don't know. I don't understand that what I will do. So they're hungry. I I will some food for that this baby. Look at this. They are hungry. It's Bangladeshi birds. So I rescue that birds. Right now it's night time, so I collect and babies are crying for food. They are so cute. I love the birds, baby birds also. I don't know how I can help these babies. I will my best. I will do my best. You just pray for the babies. Baby bird nest. Today I just rescue these birds. Okay. Next time I will make some video.